Hey Thomas, I thought I'd go over your retake with you really quick. Your LCD looks good here. It's just this part right here. See how you're crossing out the x plus 3's, but this guy doesn't have an x plus 3 right here. So you need to combine like terms first and then see if you can simplify. Okay, so that was number 3. And then number 4, this is what's incorrect right here. So one tiny mistake with that. And then here on this one, this piece right here where you're squaring it, that is not the case. I would leave your LCD as x plus 3, x minus 3. Don't factor it out. And then for this one, same deal. See how you're taking the x plus 2 and the x plus 2, crossing those out. CLT first, combine like terms first. Okay, so hopefully that helps a little bit. If you still have questions, let me know, and then we can go from there. Thanks.